In this video, I'll show you how to import GA4 conversions into Google Ads so your campaigns can use analytics data for smarter optimization and reporting. Start by signing in to the correct Google Ads account and make sure you have the required access to the Google Analytics 4 property you want to connect. From the left-hand menu in Google Ads, click Tools, then choose Data Manager. This section is where you connect external data sources like Google Analytics to your Google Ads account. Inside Data Manager, select Google Analytics, and you'll see a list of available GA4 properties linked to your Google login. Choose the GA4 property you want to connect, making sure the property name and ID match the website or app you're tracking. Before completing the connection, enable the options to import app and web metrics and import audiences. These settings allow Google Ads to receive conversion events, engagement data, and audience segments from GA4. Once everything is selected, click Link to complete the setup. After linking, it may take some time for conversions and audiences to appear in Google Ads as new data is collected. Importing GA4 conversions can help improve bidding strategies and campaign insights, but performance results will depend on your overall tracking setup and campaign configuration. Subscribe for more practical Google Ads tutorials.